Oh yeah, that's the smell of a new boot. Hey, it's Clay from BasinBikeBandit.com, and I've got the Sidi ST Air track boot. Oh yeah, attention track enthusiasts. We have the edition that you've been needing for your track day ensemble. So this boot is Sidi approved. They have got protection, replacement parts. What they've added to is what they call techno microfiber. So it's like microfiber and leather merged together. They say that it's stronger, more abrasion resistant, water resistant, it feels better, it cleans easily. Sounds pretty perfect. It's wrapped in this entire boot. Awesome. So head to toe with this boot has got protection in mind. So we've got toe protection. It's got ventilation. Oh yeah, right here. Heel cup has abrasion technology into it. You know, as you go through the side of it, you're going to notice there's this hinge design. The hinge design keeps the ankle protected, and it goes all the way up through the back of the calf. And the calf here has got this mesh ventilation. It's not for looks. I've actually blown air through it, and it really does move the air through the calf, keeping you nice and cool, which is killer. So, as we open up the boot, what they've done, which is fantastic, is made it very easy and adjustable to get in and out of this boot. So you've got adjustability up on top here, and you can actually pull it open. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, Velcro, zipper, boom. So now you're in this boot super easy. Inside the boot, you've got a replaceable sole, so you can actually pull it out, clean it, or fully replaceable, all at your discretion. So get in the boot, clasp it all up, maybe you break something. Sidi's got you covered. Anything on this boot that can be bolted on can be replaced. Sidi's always done that, which is killer. This boot's comfortable, it's ready for the track, and it provides lots of protection. So pick them up at Vase Power Sports in San Diego, California, or order from the comfort of your own home at BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.